Did you hear about the CEO at the Coldplay concert that got caught hugging his HR director? It was a viral moment, caught on a kiss cam. Married couples, public embarrassment, immediate investigation by the company. But today, I'm not here to rehash the scandal. I'm here to speak to you if you've ever felt betrayed by someone you trusted, even by yourself, or possibly by your own expectations. Maybe you weren't in a public scandal. Maybe it was quieter. You trusted someone and they let you down. You believed in a story that they sold to you, and it unraveled. You thought you'd moved past it, but it still hurts. Trust isn't just a feeling, it's a fragile soul promise. When it's broken, we feel small, embarrassed, ashamed, and even lost. So here's your quiet power reminder. Healing after betrayal isn't needing answers. It's giving yourself permission to grieve what you thought was real. It's leaning into your feelings and saying, I feel hurt, I feel unsafe, but I'm still here. Even when everything says you should move on faster, slower, quieter, you get to feel how you feel. And here's the truth I want to leave you with. Trust begins in you. Start by trusting your own feelings, your wisdom, your peace. When trust is broken, start by rebuilding it inside. Because you don't have to fix the world. You just need to keep rebuilding your own